I'm going to show you 5 ways how you can save money on Temu. The first one, before you actually do anything with Temu, it's better if you sign up with a referral code here, right? You can search for referral codes on the internet, or you can use the one I'm going to show on the screen right now. Now, the next one I want to show you is called a daily gift box. Now, when you first go to Temu, you can see on this page here, you can see there's a lot of free items and a lot of free gifts that you can get here, right? So, for example, free gift, free items, just tap on this, and then you can claim a lot of bonuses that you can get first just logging in into the app, right? Now, the next thing I want to tell you about is called smart searching, right? So when you go to search, for example, I want to buy something like a phone here, right? So for a phone, for example, a phone. Now, I want to get the exact same model, right? So for example, let me just wait for it to load here. Now, for example here, I want to buy the latest Android 13, like these two are the same product, like basically, right? But I could get the upper one for $1 cheaper. See, if I search for products smartly, I can get a best product, the one I want, but just a little bit cheaper, even though it's the same actual product, right? Now, the next thing I want to tell you about is called price adjustment. Now, you see, on Temu, sometimes when you buy something and then it changes the price, right? If it changes price in around 30 days, you can actually readjust a price adjustment on your account here, right? So if you have that, then add to adjust, right? The next way I'm going to show you is called refunds and returns. If you actually bought something and it doesn't actually come as advertised, then of course you can ask for a refund. And usually Temu doesn't ask you to return the product or anything. They'll just let you keep the item, and then you can just keep the item and then you get a refund along with it as well. The refund will usually come as Temu credits here, credit balance, or they can just transfer it back to your PayPal as well.